I learned from my mistakes. Turned out really good. Oh yeah. The smaller the better. Today I'm gonna build the Volvo sleeping setup. I made a design which I'm gonna show you later. I'm driving to the hardware store to get some wood. Then I'm gonna build it. Alright, got all the shit we need. Let's see if it fits in the car. Look at this thing. Ooh. Let's go. Oh, hello. So we have a draw system that I'm gonna build. First we're gonna build part 2. This is part 2, this is part 1. Part 2 consists of a square box with 2 draw systems. On top of that I'll be placing a mattress. I don't want to sacrifice too much space because otherwise I'll be with my face against the roof. I want to keep it as low as possible. First time doing this, so never really believed in glue. But a friend of mine told me that if you glue it just a little bit, it gets like way stronger. I have no clue what I'm doing. I'm gonna wait a little longer and then put the lid on, then screw everything together. To make things a little bit easier, I bought this counter screw. Like you put the Allen key in and then you can change the depth of the screw. Yeah, perfect. Nicely. Put the screw in, baby. Oh, it looks so good. Sticky situation. Alright, fits perfectly. The height is also very nice. It's not too high. Let's go. That's how we do it in the Netherlands, baby. So the box is done. So I have to attach this wooden beam on the side to, at some point, connect the second part. Part 2, this is part 1. So for this I'm gonna use a jigsaw. No, actually I'm not gonna use the jigsaw. I learned from my mistakes. You use a jigsaw for very thick materials. You get like a really crooked cut. It's better to use a circular saw. It's very crooked. The reason why I'm building it now is because I think in like 2 weeks it's gonna be 10 degrees colder. No, it's cold as fuck. And now it's okay. The deck is gonna be 50 millimeters, so a little bit thicker as this material. If I place the beam, if we put it like this, it should fall into place. Okay. I found this thing, medium thick piece of wood, and I thought it would be nice to cut like small pieces and drill holes, put them in so that I can put the plate over and let it sink. I cannot really explain this pretty well, but I will show you. That's maybe better. I mean, look at the size of this thing, eh? So look this one in and also this one. Put this one in. Erin fietsen. Erin knallen. Knallen. Also, by the way, you see these gaps on the side of the bed frame? I could have filled those up as well. It's a really nice spot for storage. The extension part, yeah, let's call it that, the extension part. Way better than the number. The extension part, you can slide it back so it will rest on the box. And then you can put the back seat completely back so people can sit. Hey, I'm super stoked how it looks. So I'm gonna make the extension deck. Getting dark and really humid, so I'm really scared that the wood is gonna curve a little bit. So I'm gonna put the camera away and then we'll see you tomorrow. We're going for a second round for the DIY store. I brought the carpenter police with me. It's gonna help me a little bit. Ah, top. This is gonna be the 2 drawers that I'm gonna build. They've already been cut, so moment of truth. Perfect. We're in the back. If it's on top of this and you slide it out, the last piece of the wood needs to fall into these 2 wooden things that are glued in. That keeps it in place. So I have to drill some holes in the other platform. In here I'm gonna make 2 pillars, one over there, one over there, and I'm gonna glue 2 sticks in it as well, and then drill 2 holes in the other platform so it can fall on top of the pillar. I used to have drop pins, and then I have like these metal pins which I drop in here. Setting up in the dark was a little bit shitty with all the metal pins and stuff, so I think this is a better solution. Let's see if it drops. Yep. It's hard to say. Perfect. Let's see. Oh, okay, it's getting really dark. Just finished up the feet. Turned out really smooth. So yeah, sleeping deck is done. Box is done. For today it's enough. So see you tomorrow. Turned out really good. I already did it, but I will show you anyway. So this is the whole sleeping deck. There we go. So there are a few problems. If you pull it out, you can feel trapped air behind the drawer. It's a vacuum. It's like a pump. You can feel the air coming back out. I think what the solution would be is to drill a few large holes in the back so that the trapped air can escape from the back. So it will be much smoother. De dak dan.
Nee, precies, maar dan maakt het niet. Dan is er die.
Hij staat daar.
Ja. Ik zeg op vakantie.
Toppie. Dus ik denk dat hij nog aanstaat.
Nice.
Super nice. If I make like 6 holes or something, the air can escape every 13 centimeters, baby. There we go. Much better. Gotta get some paint rollers. I gave everything a base layer. Needs to dry for like 3 hours. I placed them on top of the car because there's just a little bit of sunlight still. Trying my best to dry them as quick as possible. Oh, the drawers dried up alright. Look how tight the fit is. The other side. Yep. That's how you do it, baby. Jamming is. I need to cut out some pieces. This is too high for the hinges to come out. Okay, that's good. Yeah, I got these tiny screws. These ones are going to secure the hinges. Okay, I'll try again. Stay on the thing, please. Hell yeah. Hey, I'm doing professional shit. There we go. Niks mee te maken. That's how you do it. Oh, it's coming together now. Ooh. It does work. Perfect. Oh, I hate measuring. This thing is insane. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side as well. I'm not gonna show you because it's boring. Top! I couldn't see shit, so got this divider done. This is done, but it's getting dark and it's cold. Pretty good day. See you the next one, huh? Such a luxury having a garage. I want to have a garage one day. That would be so nice. Yeah. Let's drill a hole. I'm gonna make 3 equal compartments. I also wanted to make maybe a vertical divider for cutlery. sick? Yeah, it's f***ing sick. Yep. Padlock through and it doesn't go anywhere. Still have to do some painting, but I'm not gonna bore you with that. Only gonna bore myself. This is the old build without the hinges because I used the hinges in the new build. I think I just have to throw it away. Yeah, we'll see. Then I'm gonna take it to a little test night, see how it sleeps in the cold. If you guys made it this far up in the video, it will help me out a lot if you subscribe or like. Then I can make more videos. That's what I like to do, so help a brother out. Gaan. I have a lot of fun building this one. Tell me which car you're trying to sleep in. The smaller the better. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like. Subscribe. Hopefully see you in the next one. Ciao.